This is the first time ever up this road. The first section was not so flash once we hit the gravel because they just laid that new AP20, AP40, whatever, and it sits in the middle, and I guess they let it get pushed out by the traffic before they grade it. So it sort of increases the camber, and on road tyres what happens is that you just want to get dragged into the side of the road, which kind of sucks a lot. But anyway, that's okay. We got it this part. This part of the gravel road is really nice. But what about that? Snow-capped mountains over there, or hills. They are mountainous sort of hills. State Highway 1 is just over the peak over there, those hills, and I guess that's a little irrigation. It doesn't look like an irrigation lake, could be, but could be a natural, I don't know. But anyway, what is it about a view that's mesmerising in a sense? You know, I've got to the top of this hill here and I thought to myself, well, I'm going to stop here and have a look. So here we are looking at a view. And I don't know anybody that looks at a view and goes, doesn't do nothing. There must be people out there that think that though. They're like, I don't really like a view. I don't want to, it means nothing to me. But for me, I think something pretty awesome about it. I don't know what the definition of a view is. Well, I know what the definition of a view is, something like this, or whether it be the view of the grass, or the view of the beautiful motorcycle, or the view of the twisty turn, the things that we see through our eyes, you know. And I know we take in a lot over our lifetime, and I don't know what is the definition of a view in the sense of why are we as humans kind of mesmerized by the whole thing. I did think to myself, you know, you look at Lion King Mufasa standing out there looking out over his kingdom. You know, is that what we Is that how we see it? I don't know. It's a good question. Talking to my wife, Vanessa, you know, what lots of you, one of her thoughts was that, you know, you look out across there, nothing there, or there's lots there. Not lots of nothing, but there's lots of possibilities. You know, I guess hopes and dreams lay out there for all of us. Is that what is the meaning of a view? That we take it in, where we're going to be next. I know I'm going to go around that corner next. I'm going to end up somewhere out Cheviot, which is that way. But interesting thought. What are your thoughts? I reckon it'd be helpful if you would throw a comment down on the bottom there, if you want. You don't have to, but do it. Tell me what your thoughts are on a view, and what makes you like go, oh wow, that's awesome. Might not be this, might be the flat plains and desolate ground, earth, or it might be a view if you're standing on top of that peak over there, which you probably can't quite see, but that peak over there with the snow on top, stand up on top of that, looking out across everything. Yeah. Well, I'm going to jump on the motorcycle. I'm going to carry on because I could stand here all day and just yabber. Let's go. Sea to summit. Get the ocean and the sea and the mountains tops pretty damn close to one another. I don't see the mountains that well either.